Yo, what up, y'all? Every penny counts. I'm on this app, Buzzbreak. I just want to show you how easy it is to make money with this app. You see here, I have 45 cents. I mean, not a lot, but I basically get this every day, and I'm gonna show you how. Like I said, just log in. Every hour, you can click on this this button right here. $100. I mean, not $100. I wish, but 100 points every hour. You click on that, an ad will play, and after the ad plays, you will get credited. So I'm gonna let the ad play real quick, and I'll be back. All right, so the ad is done. When it's done, just click the X right here, and you see here you get credited. You just earn 100 points. And you see here, bam, it pops up. Now the thing about it is they have this spin wheel that's right next to it. You get this by just being active on the site. I mean, that's basically what you have to do. And you know, just being active, watching videos, putting in work. That's all it is to it. You see here, you have to have a ticket in order to spin. I have 29 tickets. All right, so I'm going to spin and see what kind of prizes I get. Let me see what I get on here. I mean, sometimes you'll win, sometimes you won't. I get a free spin, so that's just another one that I can get. I get 10 points right there. Click on got it. You know what I'm saying? This is just easy money. Just spinning the wheel, getting points. You know, nothing difficult at all. Another free spin. You know what I'm saying? They got a $10 prize in there that you can possibly get, but I assume it's going to be hard to get that. So I'm just going to get as many free points as I can, you know, not really tripping. You know, this is easy to do. So we're just going to see what we can get. I expect to get a lot of next time because they don't want to give out so much money. But, you know, I just collect these 10 points as many as they're going to give me. Another free spin. I mean, it's good that I'm getting these free spins, but, you know, I want a prize. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to keep on trying. Another 10 points. Maybe I can get like 100 points or something like that in one of these spins. Because see here, I have 22 left. But I expect the most of them to be the 10 points. But it's cool because, you know, they add up real quick. Just keep on spinning. But you see how easy it is. I mean, you just, when you're on this app and you got an account and you're active on it, you're watching videos and all that kind of stuff, and you really, you know, put in the work, you know, on this app, you can easily get these tickets to spin. So, you know, that's why I really highly recommend this app, you know, downloading your phone, your tablet, you know what I'm saying? Just make it, you know, good free money in your spare time. You can keep it on the go. You know, it doesn't matter where you at. Just, you know, spin the wheel, watch videos, all that kind of good stuff. Very simple to do. But you basically get the gist of how this works. I mean, you just spinning the wheel and, you know, seeing what you get. Sometimes you win, sometimes you won't. But you see here, I have 13 more spins. But I'm just going to show you other things you're going to do in this app. Probably the biggest thing you're going to do here is watch videos. Click on the video section right here. And all these videos you can hear, just watch them. You see here, this one is 8 seconds long. Click on it. Doesn't matter which one you click on. Just give you an example. Click on it like that. And while my phone is tripping, but you click on it, you see this button right here, this little countdown is going. And a lot of times you get the point before that's even over. But let me see if I do. I actually didn't, but once it's done, just click on it. You just earn 10 points. I mean, very simple. And it has so many different videos you can do that with. You can also get paid to watch, to look at news articles. So I'm here on the home page. You see here all these articles, because you think about it, the news, there's so much stuff in the news and they want you to kind of pay attention to it. So it doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm just showing you how much of news there is. You just click on any one of them, wait for this timer to go down, and then you'll scroll to the bottom to actually claim your reward. So you just scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see 10 points pop up just like that. Simple to do. So, I mean, like I said, there's a lot of news articles, there's a lot of videos. They never run out. You can really be on this app like all day long. I'm just going back to my account now. Let me refresh it, see how many points I got now. Because I got a lot of points in the spin wheel. See here, 550. So basically I got 100 points between the spin wheel and just doing that video and that news article. So you can really grind out with this app. Type in my referral code so you can actually get a bonus when you sign up. I'll leave all that information in the description. Just get paid to watch videos, spin the wheel, and look at news articles. Easy way to make money. Download it today, and they have very low cash out that you can do. You see here, cashing out. All you need is 10 cents to cash out. Very simple. 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents. You can cash out literally every day right to your PayPal, your Venmo, whatever you have. And just showing you how many times I've done it. You see here all these 50% cash outs that I'm doing, because I'm basically cashing out like every day with this app. You know what I'm saying? Just easy money. And these 50 cents, they add up. You see here, there's some 10s and 20s. So I've been using this app for a little bit of almost 3 months now. But I'm making a lot of money with it because I'm getting these 50-cent cash outs. Sometimes I'm cashing out twice a day. Just depends on how much time I have, because I use so many different sites and apps. So it's one thing I just really want to recommend that you do. You have to sign up for it, get these low cash outs. All you need is 10 cents, very easy to get, and just get paid to watch videos, watch news articles, and spin the wheel. Very, very simple to do. Click on the link in the description to sign up for it. Use my referral code so you can get a bonus. And always remember, every penny counts.